Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili flakes at home. First, choose your favorite fresh chili peppers. You can use a variety like cayenne, habanero, or even milder options. Make sure they are clean and completely dry. Next, carefully remove the stems from each pepper. You can leave the seeds in for more heat or remove some for a milder flake. Now let's talk about drying your peppers. You have a few options here. An oven works well at a low temperature, about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours until they are brittle. A food dehydrator is also excellent, following its specific instructions. Alternatively, you can air dry them in a well-ventilated area for about 1 to 2 weeks. Once your peppers are completely dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into flakes. You can use a spice grinder, a clean coffee grinder, or even a mortar and pestle. Grind them in short pulses. This helps you control the texture, ensuring you get beautiful, coarse flakes, not a fine powder. Grind until you reach your preferred consistency. Finally, let's talk about storing your delicious homemade chili flakes. To keep them fresh and potent, transfer them to an airtight container. A small glass jar with a tight-fitting lid works perfectly. Store this container in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard. When stored correctly, your chili flakes will maintain their vibrant flavor and heat for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.